First thing we're gonna do is replace the PCV valve. That is this guy right here. I don't know if you can see it, basically this little guy back here. And what that does is basically as the case, the engine as it kind of relieves and pressurizes, basically it needs a way to kind of relieve, the oil, and the kind of the pressure that's in there. So basically that's what that does, is basically control the pressure. It gets released back in the intake. And the thing is, you have to be careful with that, because if that doesn't get replaced and it tends to get stuck or it doesn't work anymore, basically you'll build up pressure inside of the oil housing, and to a point where you can start blowing rear main seals, start causing leaks, just things that you don't want to do. And so it's super easy to get to and to look at, and see if you have to replace it or not. But again, my truck has about 170,000 miles on it, so we're gonna replace it either way. But once we take it out, I'll show you how to kind of check it. So this is the part from Toyota. It's relatively cheap. I'll put the part number down low, as well as some pricing and whatnot. I think this cost like, it was no more than 10 bucks. I can't remember on the top of my head. So it's really easy. Basically, you need this, needle nose pliers, and then a 19mm deep socket. So I'm gonna use my nice little impact. And then basically this needs to be cranked down to 20 foot-pounds. So first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and take off the clip with the long nose. Take that off the hose. Okay. So, and actually you can see this hose is actually cracking a little bit, so maybe we'll replace this at some point. But in the meantime, let's see if I get a better angle at this light. So just pull that hose off. Okay, and then if you can see it, and that's it right there. So really easy. Just kind of push it off to the side. Actually, let's check this. Okay, then we're gonna get our little impact with the 19mm. There we go. So definitely got to get another one of these elbows. Get an impact elbow. I think this is great. All right. So this is the PCV valve. As you can see, it's a little dirty. See that? And the way you can tell these are working is if you shake it. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a little shake in there. So actually, this thing is good. But that being said, got this new one, so we're gonna replace it anyways. Just make sure that this isn't a problem in the future, because the reality is, last thing I want is a rear main seal to break. I got the old one. So it's the old, the new. It's kind of getting stuck. Compared to this one, you hear that a lot, really good. So taking care of this now, but I can definitely tell it was getting to its ending. So basically, we're gonna just go ahead and stick this in here. You're gonna hand tighten it. So now we're gonna get our handy dandy torque wrench. Okay. Now we're gonna put this to 20. Now we're at 20 foot-pounds. So we just get the old hose. Go ahead and slip that on. Should check that. This hose seems to be fine. It is cracking a little bit though. Put that back on. The nipple. And then you just get your needle nose again. Go ahead and put that back on. All right, that's it. Okay, so PCV valve done.